like to show you how the EyEnvy works. We get a lot of questions on EyEnvy and how to apply it. First of all, what is EyEnvy for those of you who have not tried it yet? EyEnvy is a fabulous product that helps your lashes to grow thicker and longer naturally. So it is literally a clear liquid and you apply it with a little liner brush. When you pull the brush out, just rub the tip of the brush along the side so that you don't get too much of the liquid. You do not want it to go into your eye. Just apply it as I would an eyeliner. Basically right where the lashes meet your eyelid, right there, that's it. And in 6 weeks, you will have long, thick lashes. I had no lashes until I started using EyEnvy. So after applying this, I will just then go ahead and apply my eye makeup. So that includes mascara. So my lashes are naturally fairly light. When I apply mascara now, I have amazing lashes, thanks to the EyEnvy.